Welcome to Abrar YouTube channel. This channel is now has widened the scope of the lectures. We include also the immigration laws of some important countries where our engineers are immigrating or going for the jobs, including North America, Canada, and also we have started lectures about the opening the business in North America because our IT professionals are opening the businesses over there as well. So this particular lecture is about the electrical power again, and it is about the Scada. You know, you have heard, I am sure, that what is Scada? Supervisory control and data acquisition. Means that it acquires the data in real time, and then there are provision for the supervision and control of the power system. SCADA is also applicable in gas, in water, and many other applications. So the main objective of SCADA is not the electrical power. Remember this thing. SCADA is the application for various processing industry where you need the real-time data and then you want to supervise and control the processing system, power plants and chemical plants and gas companies and water resources, water management, etc. So all those now are equipped with the SCADA. So please keep in mind that SCADA is not particularly for the power system. It is an application, IT-based, computer science-based, and we can use it everywhere. Now, what are the major components of SCADA? I have uploaded few lectures on this as well. Here, I mean the basic major components, physical components are the soft components of a complete SCADA system applied to a power network. And these components are almost will remain same if you are talking about any other process or gas industry or water industries. So these will be common to all those systems. Now, you can see here, first of all, the remote control unit installed at substations and or field stations, or do you collect the data from sensors and send control commands to devices? So see, RTU is a kind of a device. The people who are working in utility companies, they can go and check whether where are these components are installed. Then one of the important is the HMI. You see the computer, laptops, or the screens only, dumb terminals connected to the SCADA where you can see the data and the geographical map of the system and you can interact with that. So then there is a communication structure that you have to bring the data from the grid stations, substations, or distribution stations, lines, transformers to a central control room or the data management center or the data server where the servers are installed. So these are through the fiber optic, they may be through the wireless system, etc. And also in a slower system that PLCC power line carrier communication was also used and in use was used and also in use in companies. That is a hybrid. They have also used the PLCC system and plus they have also used the fiber optic system, OPGW. I have ADSs. I have done the lectures on that as well. If you take the example of K-Electric, there are both the systems, power line carrier communication and the fiber optic communication. They are both installed and they are in function. Then data acquisition system, you can see here the control system, the database and historian that all the histories there, so you can analyze, you can conduct the studies, etc. So SCADA software, redundancy, and the backup. So in the nutshell, these are the components, but there is another way of dividing the SCADA in three major disciplines. One is the electrical, one is the electronics, and one part is the totally the IT or the computer engineering or the computer science based. So this SCADA system or any SCADA system can also be divided in that way. These are the component, but the three major areas where there are different kind of engineers are required. First part is RTU. Up to the RTU, you need the electrical engineer to take the data from the current transformer, voltage transformer, sensors, transformer, transmission line, relays, overcurrent relay, distance relay. So that part is electrical. And then comes the electronics part. We employ the electronic engineer from the work from the RTU, then communication, and then up to the server room where the data is uh, transmitted from the RTU or the master units, etc., from the various grid stations, substations, PMTs, distribution centers, and the transmission lines or the distribution lines. And the third major part, if I talk about the discipline, engineering discipline, the third part is the server room. There is a big server room equipped with maybe 10, 15, or 20 hi-fi computers, servers, and then there is a complete backup and redundancy for those, 100% backup for that. There can be a data disaster management recovery center that may be physically not at the place where this SCADA servers are placed. So this is a brief lecture, and now TD consultant, we have started lectures as well as we also, as a TD consultant, we serve these services to our clients. So if you are interested, you can always email and contact us. Thank you very much. We also provide training for almost all the disciplines of engineer, but especially IT and electrical power and management. Thank you very much.